If somebody sends you messages on WhatsApp, and if you see delete them just before you see the messages, you can see this deleted messages so easily. Just follow some very simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down a little bit, and now you'll get an option notifications. So click on it. Now from this options, click on advanced settings. And now select the third option, notification history. And by default, this option will be turned off on your phone. So you gotta enable it manually like this. Now the notification history is turned on. Now listen carefully. You cannot see the already deleted messages because this notification history option wasn't enabled on your phone. And from now onwards, if somebody sends you messages on WhatsApp and if you also delete them just before you see the messages, you can see them so easily. But how to see these deleted messages? Let me show it. First, you gotta go to your phone settings. Again, go to your notifications. Now click on advanced settings. Again, click on notification history. And no matter how many messages you are deleted before you see them, you will see all the messages here. So this is how you can see the WhatsApp deleted messages by turning on this notification history option. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So I'll see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.